Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail art haul for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So I always like to start with my favorite thing and end the video with another favorite item during the haul. So here I'm starting off with one of my favorite items from the haul, and this I purchased through Amazon. I believe it was $21.99, something like that, and it was definitely worth it because look at the amount of charms that you get. Literally so many. And I personally purchased these charms to use them as dangling and nail charms because I really love the aesthetic of that on a nail look. I think it adds so much pizzazz. It just takes the nails to a whole other level, and I really love that. So that's my personal reasoning to purchase these. If you don't like dangling nail charms on your nail sets, that's completely fine. That's just what I'm using it for. And I'm just so excited to create a bunch of new nail looks, and I love the variety. So pretty, and I'm just really trying to like get a good collection of nail art charms and these dangling charms. So I'm really happy that I got my hands on these and that I even came across these because I was purchasing these through Aliexpress, and I realized if I just paid $20 through Amazon, I'd get a lot more for my money. So I decided to purchase these, and if I come across something like this again, you guys, I know I'm gonna buy it. So I was just so excited, and I'm just so happy. Like, just looking at these charms gives me so much satisfaction. It's like the weirdest thing. You know how some people are obsessed with makeup, heels, shoes? My obsession is nail art, and it's been like this for like months now. It's just the weirdest thing. Like, it's just my obsession. Like, this is all I care about, like collecting nail art. I'm literally always on Amazon and AliExpress just looking for things, and I have a really huge multiple part video coming for Shein because I did make a really big purchase from them for nail art. So I'm really excited for that because I hadn't purchased from there in a minute. So, and I still have so many Shein items that I purchased like months ago that I still haven't gotten a chance to like get to and create a video on, because everything I buy is like stored from like months till recent, and then I just go in this little basket that I have and just pick out the items randomly. So yeah, I'm really excited to just continue to create these nail art hauls for you guys because I know you guys love them. And I'm sorry if you hear noise, people upstairs. I live in a building complex where there's people beside me and there's people upstairs, and you know, it's just people make noise, and I apologize for the noise that you guys hear through my voiceovers. It's really annoying, but you know, I can't do much about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's nail art haul. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. So yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Here I'm just gonna briefly show you the rest of the charms. Let me know down below if you guys like these dangling charms. You could use these for all types of things. That's just what I'm choosing to use them for because I absolutely love the way that it looks. And thank you guys for all the love and support and just for enjoying my content. It means the world. Literally, I've had so many people tell me that I inspire them or whatever the case may be, and honestly, from the bottom of my heart, wholeheartedly, it means the absolute world to me. You guys are amazing, and you definitely keep me going and put a smile on my face. So thank you so much for all your love, support, and your kindness. So now here I'm going to be showing you all the gold charms that it included. So here I'm just going to show you briefly all the gold ones, and they're all just genuinely like very beautiful, very pretty, very dainty. There's a lot of them there that you can literally use for so many different like holidays. I like how they included for like holidays and stuff, and like if you're doing a mermaid look, they have like fishes and mermaid tails, all types of things. Or like for fall, they have leaves, you know, pretty much for any theme that you're going for. So I really like that, and I just can't wait to come up with like a really good organizational video where I show you guys how I organize my charms, my glitters, and all that. I'm just waiting on getting more containers and stuff where I can be able to do that video and just do multiple of those, because I know a lot of people enjoy those as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I see growth in my channel, and I'm really happy and excited about that. It just really makes me happy, you know, and I always look forward to uploading, even though it does take a lot of work. It kind of like makes up for it when I see all the love that I get from all you guys. So thank you. So yeah, I really love that these charms, they're really pretty. And by the way, guys, I was thinking, you know how usually my looks are very like simple. I'm thinking of incorporating more like extravagant kind of looks, because I definitely love when I see on for example, when I go on Instagram and I see these girls with like really beautiful extravagant nails, you know, blinged and stuff. I kind of want to incorporate more like extravagant type of nails. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I just want to switch it up, because I know I usually just do like simple ones. So yeah, I'm definitely looking into just creating more like extravagant out there type of nails, because I just love them. I think they're so beautiful and so pretty. Just coming up with like new designs, and I will still do simple here and there, but I've noticed that I've created a pattern of just doing like usually like simple type of nail looks, but I want to do like extravagant nails, because that's me. Like I love extravagant. I know it's not for everyone, but you know, just for fun, just to watch, I think it's nice. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. By extravagant, I mean like with rhinestones and like more detail in the nail art, like in the nail look. That's what I mean by extravagant. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you guys have any questions that you want to ask, then go for it, and in my next video I'd be glad to answer it for you guys. Yeah, I really appreciate when you guys ask me questions, you know, and then I can incorporate them in my videos and just make the video more entertaining. So yeah, I hope you all are enjoying the video so far. So here next, I'm moving on to this box of goodies that I purchased through Amazon that was really affordable. So I purchased this because it brought like that double-sided tape that's really good for when you do press-on nails or you sell them or whatever the case may be. Like this really helps to stick the nails to them. And then it also came with some half-cover nails. The shape of these nails were like weird. I didn't really like them. But I don't know, I'll have to see in a future video if I decide to try them out and see what they turn out like. I just thought the shape was pretty awkward. Like, it was like flared out from the bottom, like from the tip. It was just weird, I don't know. But yeah, it just brought those. I'm just showing you what a bigger size look like. I'm sorry, I'm just showing you guys what a bigger size looks like. The shape was pretty weird to me. I mean, I like how they weren't really curved, because I'm not a fan of like curved, really curved nails. So that was that. And then I got these tabs, which is what you apply the double-sided tape to, and then you put your press-on nails there, and it's just more neat and organized. So I really liked that. So it brings a few, and I'm just showing you here what they look like. They also have these in Shein, like on Shein, the website. I saw a lot of these in like different themes and stuff. Next, we're moving on to this rhinestone tray, and this rhinestone tray is pretty cool because it actually organizes your rhinestones for them to all face up and for you not to have to, you know, be flipping them over, along with some wax and a rhinestone pencil, I guess, to pick them up. And then we have your standard butterfly. So tell me how I have one of these on my desk, and then I don't know how, but I dropped it and they all just fell all over the floor and I just had to throw it out. I just hate when that happens. I just get so sad. But yeah, here we just have your basic silver and multicolor rhinestones, and then we also have a box of foils, so that was really nice. And I believe I got this for like $3, like all these things for $3, something like that. It was on sale, so I definitely had to get my hands on it. And right here I'm just going to show you an example what I meant. So I'm going to drop some rhinestones on this tray, and then I'm going to shake it up, and you guys are going to see how they all start to face up, so it like organizes them for you, which is pretty nice. And these, you can get them through Amazon and Aliexpress. Yeah, they're all over, so just in case you wanted to get your hands on these, you know, because sometimes we do struggle with trying to flip over the rhinestones. I know I do all the time, so it was really nice to have one of these. And I used to have another one, but I think I ruined it with like gel polish. So next we're moving on to like some resin plates, and the reason why I got these were for the purpose of like using them as mixing plates when I want to mix colors. So that is what I'm using these for, and I purchased these through Aliexpress. You can also purchase them through Shein or Amazon. I decided to purchase them through Ali. I think they were a really good price. I don't really remember how much they cost, but I love the gold trim and the detailing in them. They're really cute and simple. And yeah, I just wanted to stock up on some mixing plates because I find myself never having them around, and then I have to use like a piece of paper. And just for, you know, aesthetic purposes, I want the video to look better, and I just rather use a mixing plate or something that I can use as a mixing plate. This you could also use like to display your nails as well. So yeah, I thought they were really pretty, and so yeah. Next, we're moving on to these really beautiful charms. They're so cute. I love them. And they're just like drinks, and they have fruit slices in them. So that is what I'm going to be showing you here. And they're really pretty and detailed, and I really just love the aesthetic of them. So I decided to get my hands on these, and that is what I am doing here. They're so cute. I really loved the way that these looked. I did purchase these through AliExpress, by the way. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying today's tutorial. My bad. I hope you guys are enjoying today's nail art haul. I absolutely love hauls, and I know you guys do too. And I'm sorry I hadn't been doing hauls lately. It's just that I do have to catch up on my PR, because it does stack up, you know, if I don't film. And then the more I film throughout that time, I get more PR. And then if I'm just doing nail hauls, which is what I love doing the most, the problem is that what happens, it starts to accumulate the PR, and then it's just really overwhelming for me. So I'm just trying to balance it out, but at the same time I want to do more nail art hauls because I know that's what you guys love, and also the organizational videos as well. So yeah. So next we have some nail art stickers, and these are really cute. They're like the Disney ones, so there's like different themes, and I'm just gonna briefly show you the ones that I got. And I have shown some of these on other nail art hauls, so I definitely love to collect these Disney stickers. Here we have Frozen, for example. So lastly, we have one of my favorite items, which is some glitter from, of course, Sets Nail Co. And I absolutely love their glitters, and I will have a code down in the description box below if you're interested. It's welcome10 to save 10% off your purchase. And they just have such affordable glitters, and they're so pretty. I love them. So here's like a new collection. This is their summer collection. The ones in the white packaging are the summer collection, and that is a new collection. So I went ahead and just picked up all the colors, and I also got some of the other ones that she has as well, and they're just really beautiful. So we're coming to an end of this nail art haul. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I appreciate and love each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.